Hi, if you want to remove Google Assistant from power button on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, as a first step, let me show you how it's working right now. So by default, when you are pressing and holding the power button, which is located on the right side of the phone, it will trigger your Google Assistant. But if you want to remove it, then we would need to find an Open Settings app. From here, choose Accessibility Features and then go in Shortcuts and Gestures. Now from the list, select Google Assistant and simply disable to wake up with power button by tapping on the switcher. And once disabled, you can just press and hold power button itself and you can find this pop-up notification that you need to hold for 3 seconds to actually turn off the phone. So now you can just hold power button itself and you'll see this power off menu from which you can choose to either restart the phone or power off. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.